So this is the Frijole Ranch. We're stopping here at this rest area or something, and I don't know if this is an antique ranch that's now made into a park or private property, but they got a walkway here, so let's go explore. All right. Well, it is the Frijole Ranch Cultural Museum. And it's a historical site. I'll try to put some information along with the vid. The gate is open, so we got a few minutes here. Walk around, see what's what here. Got some kind of a cistern or something down there. Water flowing in there. It looks like the old ranch house here. And some other people over there. Let's see if we can see inside here. No, there's a chair there. I can't get in. So I'll come around here on the other side. Oh, we got an outhouse here. There you go. Oh, a two-holer also there probably. That seems pretty good. Come around the back. Looks like I could use a little mortar in there. I think it's all closed up. Another building back here. And you got a section here that's roped off down here. So I have to see what the sign says up here. It says gas generator. Water and carbon produce acetylene gas for lights in the house. You're all right. Okay. There you go. You got the old roof up here. Oh, got a tar roof. That roof looks pretty good up there, though. And Frijole Schoolhouse, built in 1925 and used in the 1930s by up to 8 local children. Smiths hired a teacher for $30 a month. It must have been good money back then. And plus it included a room, board, and a horse. Well, you can't go wrong with that. Well, right now we're in the Guadalupe Mountains National Park. We're going to look at this area blown up here. And it says we are right here at the Frijole Ranch History Museum. And this little corral. We're just going to have lunch. We're not going to do any hiking here because we have to travel another 4 or 5 hours to get to our next place after lunch here. But yeah, anything you want to do in here. Now I'm a little hiked out anyhow here, so I'm glad to be. Even that hike in the caverns was, it did a little number on my back there because it was real slanty going down there, that's for sure. Okay.